Hello, everyone. I'm Santoshi Rana, founder of Bihani Social Venture. This photo is of women who have been abandoned by their families and now they live together in a locally run aged care home. The second photo is of older adults who live with their family members. They have access to resources and to a good life. However, the issues that come along with aging does not differentiate according to the strata of society you come from. The two questions I would like to start with is, have you thought of how your life is going to be as an older adult? And have you been able to dedicate time to your elders and parents at home? These two questions are instrumental in understanding the issues related to aging, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. There has been a huge increase in the risk of social isolation and loneliness among older adults. The issues that come with aging are manifold. We need to be prepared for ourselves and for our family members. In order to address these issues, Bihani has come up with innovative, diverse, and inclusive aged care services and activities, which aims to improve the quality of life of older adults. We provide social engagement activities, membership subscriptions, health and rehabilitation services, which also focuses on social prescription aimed at overall holistic mental and physical well-being, including aged care consultation. Currently, we operate in Kathmandu and Lalitpur districts. We are a for-profit social enterprise. And since we are the first of its kind service provider, we do not have direct competitors as of now. Currently, our revenue is $20,000 annually. There has been a steady growth in clients, partnerships that have been created. Capacity building of staff is something we value, and impact is of top priority at Bihani. There have been numerous milestones. We have been able to create first of its kind services and introduce it in Nepal for the benefit of older adults and those involved in working with them, as well as taking care of older adults. Our team is well trained in issues related to aging, issues related to interventions and services that we can provide for a good quality of life that older adults deserve. Gender equity is, again, very, very important. Our organization is gender inclusive, and the accelerator program has also helped us in finalizing documents and finalizing way forward to ensure that we are a gender inclusive organization. We are looking at strategic partnerships, strategic investments, grants, or investments up to 500,000 US dollars. If you are interested in learning more about what Bihani does, the work that we do, please feel free to connect with us. Thank you.